Hey folks, I want to talk to you about a platform that's been making waves lately, Pullix.io. Now, I know some of you might be intrigued by what they're offering, but before you dive in, let me give you a serious heads up. First off, Pullix.io lacks regulatory oversight. Legitimate trading platforms are usually under the watchful eye of financial authorities to make sure they're playing by the rules. But Pullix.io, it's operating in a legal gray area. No oversight means no one's holding them accountable, and that's a huge red flag. Transparency is another big issue. Good financial institutions are open about who's running the show and how they operate. But with Pullix.io, there's a lot of mystery. No clear info on ownership, operational procedures, or financial backing. This opacity makes it tough to trust them with your hard-earned money. Then we have user complaints. There are numerous reports of folks having a hard time withdrawing funds, getting misled by promises of high returns, and dealing with unresponsive customer service. These aren't just isolated issues, they point to systemic problems. And let's not forget their aggressive marketing tactics. Promises of guaranteed returns or minimal risk are flying around. But let me be clear, in the world of legitimate finance, such claims are often unrealistic and a big red flag. These tactics are often used by shady platforms to lure in unsuspecting investors. So, what should you do? Here's some advice. First, avoid unregulated platforms like Pullix.io. They expose you to significant risks, including financial loss and the inability to seek legal recourse. Second, always work with licensed brokers. Choose platforms regulated by reputable financial authorities like the SEC, FCA, or ASIC. Regulatory oversight ensures a level of protection and accountability. Third, verify credentials. Before investing, make sure the platform complies with regulatory standards. Check official registries or consult with financial experts. Fourth, be wary of unrealistic promises. Any platform guaranteeing high returns with little to no risk should immediately raise suspicion. Legitimate investments always carry some degree of risk. Lastly, conduct due diligence. Research the platform thoroughly. Read reviews, analyze its terms and conditions, and check for transparency in its operations. To wrap it up, Pullix.io shows multiple warning signs: lack of regulation, transparency concerns, user complaints, and high-pressure marketing. These issues collectively make it a high-risk option for investors. Protect your financial security by working with reputable, regulated platforms, and remain vigilant against any platform offering unrealistic promises. Informed decision-making is your best defense against financial fraud and losses. Check the pinned comment to get help from an expert. Work with a cyber expert to resolve your grievances.